What's up, guys? Just realized it's been quite a while since I started or uploaded a video or anything like that. So, been busy doing a lot of things. Got some projects coming up. Yeah, been busy setting that up so could have a little more content on here, a little bit different stuff. Well, kind of working on getting chassis Cosmo here, but been working on turbo manifolds and motor mounts. This might upset some people, but that's the mount I've been working on, or the manifold flange that I've been working on for 2-inch runners. And these are the mounts to put this here Rx8 motor in my FC for the meantime while I get the drift car chassis set up. But this is 4-port. It is going to be turboed. Yeah, it's upside down, but did a bung on the oil passage for the oil feed and stuff like that. This is bridge ported as well, with a pretty large bridge. So we're gonna see what this does NA, and then I'm gonna throw the turbo on it and see how that does it. Other than that, we'll be messing around with some stuff, but we'll do a little video here, maybe a little bit of putting this stuff together, making these mounts and how it's got to work, because I got to make both mounts anyways. And I believe I'm going to have to cut down the front cover for the FC about around 1/4 inch. I'll get the exact measurements in a little bit and put them on the mill, and then I can run the FC crank angle sensor, and then I don't have to switch to the standalones and shit in the computer. So let me clean up this place. It's a kind of a disaster right now, and we'll get back to it. Well, I didn't clean up too good, but I think I made more of a mess. Yeah. So anyways, got this started. Got to finish welding that in, box this in down here. Other than that, everything's dead on. So gonna get to this, see if I can set up a little bit so you can see exactly what I'm doing, and then work on the driver's side and get that cut, because the bolt pattern's a little bit different on the Rx8. It's got one bolt here, and then I have to make one go up here. I don't know how well you can see, down, and then the FC mounts will be done. So now I'm definitely gonna clean up a little bit, because I got a disaster on my hands. Yeah, went and got some stuff, and get right back to it. On that. Well, I've gotten a little farther, got a pounding headache, but I'm gonna finish this anyways. So what we got here is put a gusset there. As you can see, those holes are drilled. Hole for the coolant drain. Still have to drill the hole here to match the other mount. Built a gusset, box this in. Still got to finish welding it up a little bit. Did a little gusset on here. I got to weld those washers on for a spacer for right now. Yeah, so that will be done. They're not going to stay like that. You're going to dress them up a little bit, paint them and whatnot. Do a little update on that in a minute when I get to that point. As you can see, a little better now. So we got that hole and that hole to work with for the mount. And yeah, haven't decided yet if I'm going to stick turbo 2 transmission in or one of these 6-speeds. 6-speed give it pretty good gear ratios with the 410s in the back. A little less econo box gearing. I don't know, whatever you guys think. The only thing is that I would have to make a different mount in the car for that. Which, I mean, if I draw that up, then and work on a bent shifter so it doesn't put it in the dashboard, it'd probably work out for you guys if anybody wanted one. Yeah, and I've been drawing these up in CAD so I can cut all the parts out in the plasma table after, make them a little easier. and be able to reproduce these pretty quickly. So if anybody's interested in sticking one of these motors in their FC, which I mean in reality is a pretty cheap way to get your car back going again. Makes more power than the NA 6 ports anyways, to begin with, and you can get 4 ports with transmissions for about $800 if you look around enough. So I mean, you know, why not? Cheap way to upgrade. And yeah, let me get this done a little bit and fight this headache and get right back to you guys. So George decided to come over and try and give me a hand weld these mounts up. He's gonna practice on some small stuff first, so he doesn't mess up what I got at this point in time and have to start over. But I think he just stuck the torch to the filler rod. So I'm gonna go help him get that off quick. Well, guess what? They're done. So, let's see how I can do this with one hand. We'll try this. Set my camera somehow. Alright, hold on. Okay, now that I had some free hands, they're done. Just like that. And I think they'll work good and whatnot. So yeah, till next time, we'll get this thing assembled and get it ready to go in the car.